Hello, Falcons. Welcome to Let's Talk Science. So, first things first, I always mention what's the TIC, TIC. So, always remember that the T stands for task and it answers the question, what are we doing? I, intent, it answers the questions, why are we doing it? And C for criteria, how do we do it? So, what's up for today? How about this? Game based learning. So, how does this work? So, the T or the tick would be as follows. The tasks would be microscope image guessing game. I would want you to view the recorded DI or direct instruction videos. So, this is actually the recorded DI. Now, I intend why are we doing this? So, we would want students to be keen observers and critical thinkers and taking risks, making educated guesses and criteria. How do we do it? So I want you to answer the questions and complete the table below. So part one is essentially this. So in your own words, what is a microscope? And we all know, or we have some background information already about microscopes, right? So it's a laboratory tool that we use to observe what? Micro meaning small, very, very small objects or specimens or microorganisms that our eyes cannot see. So that's it. And you can have your own version of explaining what is a microscope. And then part two would be write the letters on the blank lines using the letters from the video. So here on your end, the student copy, it's in Google Classroom. You would be presented with something like this, okay? And you would be writing under the blanks the letters, right? So the numeral letters. You think it is a butterfly wing? What? Where is that in the video? Or is it a cat fur? Or cottonwood seed hairs? Or is it goldenrod flower petal? Onion cells? Spider egg? So, what are the other examples that I have here? Eggshell? Under the microscope, how would it look like? Would that be under what letter? Is it a fruit fly pupa? Or a tick from Hawaii? Or a pollen? So, you have here 10, all in all, 10 specimens or samples viewed under a microscope. And you're going to make intelligent guesses or educated guesses as to what could it be. So ready? So let's go for this one. So where's it now? This one. Okay. So microscope image guessing game. So I'm going to slide through the samples as if you are looking under the microscope. So at any point in time later on, feel free to just pause the video so that you can make some decisions in your head as to what it could be. So here, for instance, okay, well, I have a little bit of preview here. So Sue Eder, this person here, is an electron microscopist, right? So just sitting down at the scanning electron microscope, so this one, connected to the computer that collects the images that she makes. So specimens, okay, so you would be given images later on. So specimens, those are specimens. They're scanned and prepared. Now gold is sputtered on critical point, dried biological specimens that sit on small aluminum stubs. A scanning electron microscope. So this is a specific kind of microscope. It bounces electrons off the samples and produces images in grayscale. Now, electron microscopes generally take pictures that show images 10 to 200 times the actual specimen size. So it is that powerful, right? And aluminum stubs covered in a thin coat of gold, ready for scanning. So the skin of a strawberry. So this is how it's done or reflected back using the electron microscope, right? A daisy fleabane flower or a ladybug and a broken spring, ant and ant eggs. So this is now your first image, okay? So number one or the Roman numeral one. Hmm, I'll pause it there. So what could it be? And this is Roman number two. Hmm, what could it be? Roman number three. So what could it be? Roman number four. Hmm, what does it remind you of? So I want you to just go to the table and figure out what could it be. Number five, Roman numeral five. So take a closer look, right? And just make some intelligent guess. Roman number six. Roman number seven. Now maybe this one, you have a basic idea of what it could be, right? How about Roman number eight? Oh, interesting image here. Roman number nine. And lastly, Roman number 10. So there you go, people. This is the recorded DI or instruction video. And I want you now to go to your Google Classroom assignment, the recording sheet. So butterfly wing. Was that Roman number one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, or 10? You decide. Or does it look like probably a golden rod flower petal? Again, you decide. Cut fur, onion cells, cottonwood seed hairs, spider egg. How about the eggshell? Or a tick from Hawaii? Fruit fly pupa? Or a pollen? So there you are. And enjoy this microscope guessing game. Ciao for now. Thank you, Falcons.